How to get started learning RT Thread. Question 1. Where can I find official learning materials for RT Thread? Well, there is a documentation center on the RT Thread official website, from which you can learn about RT Thread online. Besides, the RT Thread book, The Design and Implementation of the RT Thread Operating System, is coming soon. Question 2. What are the basics required to learn RT Thread? A good C language master is a basic skill, have development experience of common MCUs or other IoTOS, can also benefit you to be quicker to get started RT Thread. To understand the RT Thread principles in depth requires a certain degree of data structure, operating system principles, object-oriented programming, and other knowledge. Question 3. I have a board on hand. How to quickly run RT Thread on this board? RT Thread provides a large number of BSPS board support package for common development boards and chips. Find the corresponding BSP to get started directly, or find the similar one that you can also adjust it onto your board. Also, RT Thread self-developed a one-stop development tool, RT Thread Studio I, that can help you build the projects in seconds and keep you productive. Question 4. I've had a problem learning RT Thread. How should I seek help? Please keep this in mind. RT Thread is always here to support you. You can ask for help on RT Thread's Reddit channel, Facebook channel, Twitter channel. While asking questions, please provide as much information as possible about the relevant code screenshots, debugging logs, and other related information. The official RT Thread forum is also being planned. Please stay tuned. Question 5. Can I use RT Thread freely in my own projects? Yes, certainly. RT Thread 3.1.0 version onwards follows the Apache License 2.0 open source license agreement. 3.1.0 version and its earlier versions follow the GPL v2 open source license agreement. All the real-time operating system kernel and open source components can be used free of charge for commercial products. Question 6. RT Thread has several versions. How to choose one? For resource-constrained project, can choose RT Thread Nano that requires only 3 KB flash and 1.2 KB RAM resources. But if you like something new and want to experience the latest features of RT Thread, you can choose the master version or 4.xx version. If you have high requirements on stability and have the intention to put RT Thread for commercial use, you are more recommended to choose 3.1x version. Question 7. I don't have a board on hand. Can I learn RT Thread? RT Thread provides Kemove Express A9 BSP board support package, which can be used without a hardware platform. Or you can use the Kale MDK Simulator STM32F103 to start your RT Thread learning journey.